Fam.
Got your money?
Well, there it is. Just waiting for you to give it a little company. You need to count it?
Bring him up.
Step to the rear! Cause the hammer is here! Yeah!
You know that thing you always say every time I fight?
What? Oh, you mean they call him Bone because that's what we break when he hits? Yeah?
Don't say that.
All right, motherfuckers and motherfuckettes, it's time for the main event. Now, without further ado, let me bring to you, coming straight from Skull Island. Y'all might know him from his numerous appearances atop the Empire State Building, swatting down airplanes and shit. The primate from another climate, the Hammer of Man! Hold up. But now coming from this corner, he's new on the scene, but he's stacking much green. The one technique knockout artist who's breaking down pros like they just got started. The brother man with death in each hand. The man they call Bone because that's what his parents named him. Boom! And now, you hedonistic savages, knuckle up! Get the money. Yes, it is. Get the money, bitches.
That motherfucker Bones is the truth!
What can I say, James? Homeboy just got lucky.
Yeah, well, like they say, every dog has its day. This is yours, I guess.
My leg, man. It's just my leg. No way.
Take it. Mr. Bone, that was one hell of a show. I've never seen anything like that before in my life. You know, you cost me a lot of money.
I hear you got a lot.
Not really. You know, why don't you and